Did you know that just 20 minutes of cycling can improve your flexibility as much as your heart health? Meet Sarah, a cyclist who hit a motivation wall. She loved the idea of riding, but couldn't stick with it. Her doctor explained that regular cycling increases muscle elasticity by up to 15% while strengthening cardiovascular function. The key isn't riding harder, it's riding smarter. Sarah discovered that structured variety makes all the difference. She alternated between leisurely neighborhood rides, hill climbs, and flat road sprints. Each 20 to 30-minute session expanded her joint range of motion while keeping her heart rate in the optimal zone. The best part? Shorter, varied workouts prevented boredom and burnout. Within weeks, Sarah's motivation transformed because she finally balanced endurance with enjoyment. What's stopping you from creating your own cycling routine that actually sticks?